I qualify to win every hand now. Because I won the first one.
You qualify to win.
For real.
Don, put the wood to him.
I ain't play.
He's not wrong.
See that? I like how he think, y'all. Like, we are professionals over here. I don't know what y'all are. We professionals over here, man.
He's got to win this next one too, though. Otherwise, he's no longer qualified.
See? Hold up. It depends on what John do.
55. 2-4.
1-2-55?
Hey, this is the game, baby.
Fucking exploitative for sure, huh? I call.
155?
What would a good call do? I call, fuck it.
There you go.
235.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah.
235 on your ass.
Well.
Uh-huh.
Live
Here
stream.
come the Mack truck now. Here come the Mack truck.
I'm about to use my one and only fuck it.
You used it twice, though.
180 on top.
You can't use it no more.
No, he right.
Big Mack truck coming.
No, no. 180 on top.
Y'all in a little.
Know what's coming next.
Ooh. Damn.
I call.
He's
All right.
not all in, though.
Big hand right here, huh?
Chips.
Who's not
It's
on?
kind of like the hand you
Let
have.
me put that to your back.
Oh, because he's got 5.
I'm just saying, but you know,
Yeah.
Third. Chips.
He pushed
Second.
Oh,
Damn.
Uh-oh.
I said call.
He got aces.
Some of that king, someone's on the draw.
Well, what about you?
God almighty.
You have Queen Jack?
Oh my God.
I was on a point for
God.
everybody.
I'm about to
I
throw
wasn't
up.
gonna call 300, but since it's the reason why he couldn't raise 300, man, I think God is trying to say call.
That's like
Boom, 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 boom. I call. I just won anyway. I got called. I called 180. That ain't nothing.
right. I stay up, right?
I can call that shit
when we get off
football.
here, when I left here, I go home.
I can see what you're trying to pull in me. Okay, okay.
No, it ain't. I got the nuts.
That's
the right
bet.
Way out.
Yeah. The club later. Next thing I wake up at like 3 in the morning. Go
I
back
get
to
caught, I
sleep.
get caught.
Keep him low one time.
Point flip for everybody.
I'm like, no, but
Oh,
I
keep
go
him low
back
one
to
time.
sleep.
Yeah. No, he's not all in. Yeah.
I'm all in
Now
now.
Oh, no. Man.
He's all in with 105.
That's 105.
Got a raise. Come on in.
I'm on.
Got another raise.
Fuck, I call.
Hey, I'm going home.
Hey,
Fuck
Steve.
this.
Great call, man.
You gotta open up.
Chips.
Kings.
King.
Kings.
I need a deuce. Come on.
You said one time?
They rip it.
One time face.
Queen.
Deuce.
Queen.
Wow.
King takes it.
What you had? No,
Ace,
ace
king,
takes
king,
it.
ace, king takes it.
Take it.
Oh my God.
Last spot right there. $1,500
Thomas,
probably.
what the hell you doing there?
The pause.
What? My man, you need to do 200 behind that. Yeah, good shot.
God,
That don't make
no,
sense.
man, Lando,
That
I
was
told him to
clubs.
send
That
me
don't
home.
make
Not,
sense. If you were clubs, you
not,
were straight.
man, I say take me home, not send me home.
Why you
Jesus
Christ.
Christ.
Why you call all in with the ace out there?
Hell, I'm in there. Fuck it. That's my fucking. God,
That's a big ass. That's a
Then he called. I said, well, shit. He probably got aces. Man.
damn.
You put them on ace and king and you still call.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's about
I do the hand.
1,500 right
Well, no,
there.
he laid out.
I do
Yeah, I
laid out.
laid
He
off.
laid out.
Man, shit.
I know the one
That's
saying
all right.
like
I
the
was
ace and show off and he's
He done put that thing on 3/4 stack in there.
But he can save
card,
$100. If he put somebody ace
If you
and king and
say
they
all in, he goes up.
Who?
Hey, is that how we scripted
I
it?
never. What?
He up.
Yeah.
Hey,
Ace King.
hey, is this how
I'm
we
getting it
scripted
in.
it?
What's that?
Is this how we scripted it?
I mean,
Yeah.
I'm thinking that's how it was in the book.
Okay. That's how we talked about it, right? 'Cause you know they say it's all
Jesus Christ.
scripted. Jay Stack.
Yeah.
It's all
Just said he ain't
scripted.
got embarrassed on worldwide damn TV.
Him? Thomas?
Don't keep it in place so you don't have to worry.
This guy 3-4.
My goodness.
Hey, but
At least you ain't have 3-4.
He said I got a gut
Hey,
shot.
hey, see the stream, what they saying about him. Check the stream, see what they saying
I'm
about
gonna call it
him.
regardless, bro.
Man, he limping his ugly
I
ass
know
in.
I know what y'all got though, like big car motherfucker.
Hey, the only reason I don't reshove right there is because I want him in there.
Hit that motherfucker. Man.
I'm gonna call regardless.
Well, if I shove all in,
Yes.
That ace don't come.
when you're only
I'm
in
good.
for
3-4 diamonds.
Yeah?
Or the king.